Hey folks, this is Shetz, and let's suppose we have a couple concepts in our next unit lesson. And here we are on this desert island, and suppose it doesn't look like it has any food, you can't catch any fish. So here we have a pizza. And notice that the pizza is made up of side A plus side B. So what would you rather have? Would you rather have a half a pizza, you're stranded on this desert island, or would you rather have a whole pizza? So we know that the pizza is made up of A and B. The whole pizza equals A and B. Well, guess what? You would rather want the whole pizza. And we know that the whole is greater than its parts. So we know that the whole pizza is equal to A and B. But the whole pizza is greater than A, and we also know that the whole pizza is greater than B. So if you were stranded, you would want this whole pizza. Now let's see how that applies to our inequalities in one triangle. So let me just scroll down here. Here we have A is equal to B plus C. Well, we know that A has to be greater than B, or A has to be greater than C. There you go. In this example here, we know that the measure of angle 1 equals the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3. This part right here is the whole. Think of it with the pizza. And then these two are its parts. So we would know that the measure of angle 1 is greater than the measure of angle 2, or we would also know that the measure of angle 1 is greater than the measure of angle 3. The whole is always greater than its parts. So let's look at our next example here. And again, if I look at this, I see my angle 1, that's an exterior angle to this triangle. Okay, so I know that using the exterior angle theorem, measure of angle 1 is the sum of measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 4. And if I also look at the picture, I can see these congruent marks. So that means that isosceles triangle, angles 1 and 2 have to be equal. So in place of angle 1 here, I could write the measure of angle 2, because we know that the measure of angle 1 equals the measure of angle 2. It's an isosceles ISOS triangle. So if I apply our theorem that says the whole is greater than its parts, so 2, measure of angle 2, has to be greater than the measure of angle 3. And that concludes our explanation here. All right, so we have another concept. So that's the one biggie. The whole is greater than its parts. Now we have another concept here. Look at all of my sides. Guess what? This guy's my longest side, so this will be my largest angle. Right across from it. Largest side across from it, the largest angle. Here's my smallest side. Across from that, angle A will be my smallest angle. So just remember the concept, largest side, longest side, largest angle, shortest side, smallest angle. Let's go over to here on our next page. And here we have angles. Well, vice versa. Look at this large angle. So across from it will be the longest side. And here is my smallest angle. Across from it will be my smallest side. So longest side, largest angle, small side, small angle. and vice versa. And I forgot my T. All right, folks, there you go. I'll have some pages you do for Monday night's homework. Thanks a lot.